Guys, I'm finally doing it. What's good, guys? My name is Ishan. You're probably busy, which is perfect because on this channel we like to keep things short and sweet. No fluff, just quick and to the point. So in the next few minutes we're gonna be going over why I finally plan to buy Hyllion stock after holding out for such a long time, where I see the stock heading in the near term and the long term, plus as always a quick technical analysis at the end. So as always, if you enjoy these short and value-packed videos, make sure to drop a quick sub and let's clock in. So just quickly, some other notable picks we've made recently. Elastic NV I called out once in the mid 80s and then again recently at $100, and it's currently trading at 111. Appian I called out twice in the mid 40s, in fact calling it the ultimate cloud stock to buy back then, and now it's up over 40% since then, up to $65 a share. Then other picks like Virgin Galactic I called out in the 16s, SBE stock or ChargePoint last week at $13, which is now in the mid 15s, and so many more picks. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss the call outs. So Hyllion is now finally trading under the ticker symbol HYLN. Most of you probably already know what Hyllion does, but I'm still going to do a very quick overview of what they do for some new investors. But if you already know about the company and want to get straight to the chase about why I'm buying it, then skip down to the timestamp right here down below. So if you are sticking around, Hyllion's hypertruck ERX can travel as far as diesels with an estimated range of over 1,300 miles between fill-ups by using renewable natural gas to power its batteries, and no other EV truck manufacturer comes even close. So I actually got this wrong before, but Hyllion doesn't actually make the trucks. Instead, they create the powertrains that can be equipped onto any Class A truck, as you can see over here. And they have two versions. One is their Hypertruck ERX, which is a net carbon negative emission solution for electrified trucks and commercial fleets, and it uses renewable natural gas. With more than 700 public stations across the US, the Hypertruck ERX leverages a robust natural gas refueling infrastructure and honestly makes it a super attractive option for truckers. The next and final one is their hybrid versions. One of those hybrids is their hybrid CNG truck, which combines an electric drivetrain with natural gas powered onboard generators. And this version already has over 1,000 pre-orders from Agility, one of the world's leading logistics companies. They also then have an electric diesel hybrid version. So overall, the products are really good. They're very focused, which is something I've mentioned in my previous Hyllion video, which is what I really like about the company, that they're very focused on just mastering and crafting only one product, compared to say a Nikola that's got like 20 different products which don't even work. But anyways, you get the point. They're very focused on mastering that one product. The first reason I'm finally buying Hyllion stock, and this is really big, is all thanks to Trevor Milton. No, seriously, thanks to Trevor Milton. You see, the whole Nikola fiasco has really caused many buyers to take a step back and sell the stock. And despite GM talks continuing and them reiterating their production targets, who are we kidding? No one's touching Nikola stock right now. Sure, a lot of spec investors will jump back in, but I believe your average investor and many firms will stay away from their stock at least until the SEC and DOJ complete their investigations. And so what this means is a lot of cash on the sidelines looking to be deployed, and the best alternative to Nikola is, well, you guessed it, Hyllion. Not only that, but now that the merger has finally gone through and Hyllion has got the cash, it's a whole lot safer to put the money into it. Before, there was the risk of no merger, but now, nada. So taking this all into consideration, I wouldn't be surprised if many institutions and investors put their money into a company with legit working products, which we have seen numerous live demonstrations of. Hyllion is also getting massive attention on social media, as an example on YouTube. And then I believe it's only time before we go mainstream, baby, and CNBC stops trying to falsely pump Nikola back up. Another thing is that Hyllion has a pretty decent sized short interest of 24% as of Friday's close. This represents the opportunity for a pretty big squeeze after this huge drop, and I think it represents a great buying opportunity for the long term, and you can bet I'll be looking to buy next week. Now the last and final reason I'm buying Hyllion is because of their management and their leader and CEO Thomas Healy. As a founder-led company, that is something I really like, because a founder at the end of the day is the guy with the vision and the game plan of where to take the company in the future. I mean, sure, sometimes founders don't really know what they're doing. Trevor Milton. Anyways, Thomas Healy actually has an engineering background and not a bricklaying background, so this guy knows what he's doing. This isn't the guy's first company, and the way he's been able to take Hyliion to $1 billion company without the need to be all flashy and in the press like Trevor Milton. It's truly remarkable. But apart from the CEO, the CTO was a top leader at Ford, and all around the team from top to bottom know what they're doing, and you can tell. With over $500 million sitting in the bank right now, I believe this will really help them propel to new heights. So even by 2024, if they can hit $1 billion in revenue despite their projections of $2 billion, this is a company that will easily be trading at a market cap of $10 billion or a price to sales of between 5 and 10 depending on how much revenue they actually achieve. Now this number is super conservative. I truly believe it'll be worth more, but by today's market cap of 1.1 billion, we're looking at a stock and a company that will 10x. Now as for a quick technical analysis, Hyllion's been steadily holding the 180-day SMA in the past, and as we can see, it's right back down there right now. If we can continue holding it and get a bounce, that will give us the confirmation, and once we get the confirmation, then I'll be buying. RSI is also really low, MACD is starting to reverse, so technically the setup is looking pretty good. So guys, make sure you subscribe and like, and let me know down below as well what you guys think about Hyllion stock. I really want to hear what you guys have to say, and as always, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking off for now. Peace.